Yeah, I had a wonderful experience, in fact, shooting there, and we didn't expect such beautiful locations to come out from Urja or Jhansi for that matter, and we had a fantastic experience over there. And you can see it visually now in the video also, that how aesthetically we've shot and how nicely the director has put forward the video. So I'm really happy and glad that it has come out really well, and I'm sure Arko has the similar opinion about it.
Like I said, I was surprised. I thought it was Rajasthan. It does look like one
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
forts from Rajasthan, but it's beautifully done. And we are very hopeful this song will do well. It's a song that will last through time because the style is such. It's melodic and very well written and poetic. तो वो जो चीज़ है वो ओल्ड स्कूल वाइब शायद उसी से शुरुआत होती है, तो उसका इमोशनली भी वैसा इन्होंने निभाया है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से शूट भी किया है और मुझे लगता है एज अ the whole thing together it's looking really strong. Looks like a big film song. Yes.
Well, it makes you feel very nostalgic because I've always been a fan of songs which has good melody. I just hope that as I got connected while listening to the song for the very first time over here, I hope the audience also gets connected equally. In life and in reality, it is always important to accept your emotions, no matter irrespective of what situation you are in. So I think if a song can help you, it should. I mean, it can just break you because I strongly believe in music and song. If it can just give the right emotion, if it can make you cry, it can make you laugh also. It can make you fall in love also. I really hope that they give equal amount of love and support that they have given me over the years for other projects, and I hope they give more amount of care and affection and love and support for this song as well because it's a happy song. So I'm sure this song will make you fall in love with someone again, or if you are actually feeling for someone, it will actually give you that sort of confidence to walk up to that person.
I am super excited and thrilled that he chose this song Mere Haniya because it's a beautiful song sung by Arko and featuring Parth and Aanchal. The chemistry is fantastic, beautiful. So I'm very excited. I was in love with the song when I first heard it. I'm sure the audience will love it too.
So I am like the same thing. I am also very excited, and on my label, you know, such big singer coming in and such big cast. I'm really happy and excited, and I think everybody saw the video. So I think it's up to the audience now how they like it.
Oh, I do feel nostalgic because we always have that first love in school. But also the song is so beautiful that it reminds you of the old days and the old picnics you used to have with your friends and colleagues and everyone. So yeah, it's I think it reminds you everything of love and your childhood and everything.
So I was absolutely nostalgic when I saw the video, you know, with the voice of Orko, and it was all like a dream, you know, that this has come to my label, and it's a great opportunity for me that after Khwabida there have been 4 more songs, and now this Mere Haniya, you know, it has actually brought that energy back to my channel. I feel like now I really feel that SVMT has a good future. So yeah, that's it. I'm excited. The story of the song, you know, it depicts that love. It depicts it really well. You know, when there's a person who loves the other person really deeply but is not able to express themselves, and then, you know, when suddenly that person comes to you and expresses themselves, suddenly you start feeling that you were also in love with them. You know, every time they were with you, you felt nice, and if they are not in a part of your life, you will suddenly feel alone, and you know, that's the time you start realizing that okay, that's the love of my life too. So it's very important to express sometimes, because you might be friends for a long time, but then that one moment when some of the two they express themselves, then suddenly the equation changes, and it's a very beautiful thing. I think that feeling, it remains for a long time, and I think it's there for, you know, for the future to cherish in between that those two people.
I feel overwhelmed, honestly. It feels really great that there are so many people who love you unconditionally. It's a great feeling.
So actually this is, I think, completely director's call. He must have had something, you know, beautiful in his mind that he chose that beautiful palace of Madhya Pradesh, because you when you see the video, you think that it's Rajasthan.
For my fans, especially, I would say that please watch this song, Mere Hania, sung by Arko and featuring Parth and Achal. It's beautifully shot in Madhya Pradesh, and I am in love with it. I'm sure you'll also love it.